Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right role, host or co-host. Once confirmed, open the Zoom meeting controls and locate the toolbar at the bottom or top of the window. If someone is sharing, click Stop Share or open the participant's share controls. Make sure you're not trying to change permissions while a share is active unless you intend to. These steps put you in the right place to disable annotations. They prevent common permission errors before you act. Now you disable the annotation feature directly. You click Security on the toolbar or more depending on your client, and uncheck Allow participants to annotate. This instantly stops live drawing. If someone is sharing, open the Share Screen menu, click More, and select Disable Participants Annotation during share so annotations do not reappear. Once done, make sure to update the meeting template in the Zoom web portal for recurring sessions. Finish by confirming the change. Ask a participant to try annotating or look for the Annotate button. It should be inactive. If annotations still appear, check whether account level or meeting level settings are overriding your choice in the Zoom web portal and change them accordingly. If options persist unexpectedly, instruct participants to update their Zoom app or rejoin the meeting, because client caching can show old controls. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings keep reverting, an account admin may need to lock the preference centrally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.